sekarang. There you go. Thanks, buddy. Ciao. And that's actually the Palm Beach. So Central Coast is actually only 1.5 hours away from Sydney CBD. So it's actually very close, but it's incredibly beautiful. You miss your ex-girlfriend, don't you? Where are we going?
Now we're heading to Gosford, our next stop.
What's in Gosford?
Chocolate factory.
Chocolate factory! Oh!
Yeah, I believe.
And actually there's a factory tour every Wednesday to Friday and some chocolate workshops as well. You can check the detail in their website. Lake, and let's check them out. They just stay there, it's just like they are posing to be captured.
Norah Head lookout.
Norah Head lookout.
Lighthouse.
Beautiful.
Left some love here.
What? So now we are here in Long Jetty to watch the sunset. So this jetty is 105 years old and it's just over 350 meters in length. Isn't that awesome? Osmo, come here. Come here, boy. Hey, look at the camera. What a jaw-dropping sunset. I think this is the best sunset I've ever seen in my life. That's the end of our trip today, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.